Okay, so we are with Chris today, a client of ours working with Accounting Kings since December 23rd. And we are currently in July 24. So we've been working with each other for quite a long time already. So yeah, this is basically a success story of Chris in an interview. So yeah, Chris, can you quickly take some time to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Chris Ouzts. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm out of North Carolina, and I mm, met Dan through LinkedIn and started looking at the stuff that he does, helping out with the marketing. Because if you're anything like me, you like talking with the clients and you like doing the work, but you don't necessarily want to deal with the marketing. And that's where Dan's really helped out. He's set up some successful ad campaigns for me that's generated some good quality clients. And even off of some of those clients, they've given me a couple of referrals as well. So, I mean, it's definitely worth your time. And I would definitely recommend working with Dan and his group.
Awesome. That's really good to hear. Yeah, so I was also curious, like before you worked with us, what is everything that you've tried with marketing?
I tried doing my own Facebook ad campaigns, didn't get any leads off of there. I tried to play around with landing pages and stuff like that, but I never could get the hang of getting them to work properly or generate the leads right. And, a lot of word of mouth and just going into accounting groups
Mm. Yeah.
like entrepreneurial or accountants or businesses seeking accountants and CPAs, Facebook groups, stuff like that, just trying to drum up work,
Yeah, yeah,
which takes a
yeah,
lot more time than just letting Dan do his thing and his team do their thing and generate the leads.
and that's something that I hear with a lot of my clients, right? They either don't like to do the marketing, they don't have the time to do their own marketing, or they just don't have all the expertise to do it themselves. And yeah, I'm also like wondering, what is something that you really liked about working with Accounting Kings in the last 6 months?
I have liked Dan's professionalism and his team's professionalism. If I have questions, they're always really prompt at getting back to me. And I like the interface that they have. It's easy to see what the leads are. If the leads fill out their information, there's a little sidebar that shows what they're looking for, what questions they have. So when you're walking into the meeting, you're not doing basically walking in blind. You at least have an idea of what the client is looking for.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's our clients always love this the information, right? Because then you can prepare a little bit for the meeting, you can kind
Mhm.
of like dig some information if needed, and then also this also increases your chances of actually converting the clients. And yeah, of course, we had a little chat before this, and you told me that you're almost closing like an $8,000 client, so it definitely worked.
Yeah.
So yeah, then basically my last question is everything is working. You are getting more and more clients. What are the next steps for your firm in the, let's say, the next 12 months?
I'm hoping to bring on a bookkeeper to help me out, and then it'd be nice to be able to bring on another full-time person to do audit work with me.
Yeah. And are those your first employees you are bringing on?
What's that?
Are those your first employees that you are bringing on?
They
The
would be my first employees, yes.
Awesome. That's amazing. Okay, well, yeah, Chris, and actually my last question is, do you recommend other accountants, CPAs to yeah, give Accounting Kings a shot?
Yes, I definitely would. It's been worth it for me, and I think it's worth, if you don't want to do the marketing yourself, I definitely think it's worth the investment.